I am super excited and I want to share it with you. I received a package today. And guess what was in it? It was a present from this lovely company. It's called Health Boosts. And it's actually new in Switzerland. It's a company from New Zealand. Yeah, not sustainable. Yeah, I thought the same. They have a lovely shaker and they are offering products for busy people that don't have time to juice like me. So we know that juicing vegetable and a little bit of fruit is extremely healthy because especially in vegetable, all the vitamins and in the minerals are trapped in the fiber. And when we remove the fiber and drink only the goodness, all the polyphenols, we can improve our health. And basically there is no, so there is of course sugar because glucose is everywhere in every plant, but in vegetable, it's not as high in glucose as, for example, fruit. And this lovely body boost is to boost the immune system. And right now I'm running this 4-week program and I'm really busy working 16 hours per day and I don't have time to cook so much. So I'm so delighted that I will be testing this product. And if I see difference on me and my energy levels go even higher than now, and if I see any improvement, for example, on my skin or my hair, or if my athletic performance improves because I'm checking, you know, my running time. If I sleep better, then I will be running in spring detox program using these powders. So what is it all about? It is a mixture of berries, beetroot, kiwi fruit, wheatgrass, broccoli sprouts, vitamins and minerals. And you can mix it in water, smoothies, or yogurt. So I'm personally going to mix it just with water. And what I absolutely love, they have a very small shaker. It's probably 200 milliliters. And you can put the powder in it. So it's 10 grams, 1 spoon, the spoon is in there. You can put the powder in it and then just take it wherever you are and then mix it with water, shake it and drink it. I also got this new product, Enzogenol Vita. So I have heard many times about the pine bark being a really strong antioxidant. It's recommended for flight attendants actually, because they're exposed to radiation. It's recommended to people who go through the cancer. It's recommended to smokers because with every single puff they take, it's 300 chemicals getting into the body. And all these free radicals are causing oxidative stress. And this is a really potent antioxidant. And antioxidant is catching the free radicals and is removing them from the body. Because what are free radicals? Free radicals are actually single molecules that are breaking down and attaching to or attacking other molecules in our body and damaging the DNA structure. And what is actually cancer? Cancer is a mutation of the DNA. When our body in apoptosis, which is a cell death, did not recognize that there was a wrong replication and let the cell go through. And then the mutation is replicating, and that is actually cancer. So these products, the powder and this Enzogenol, high potency antioxidant, is preventing you against the oxidative stress, and it's catching the free radicals. So I will be all excited to tell you after 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, how it went. But if you are curious and you would want to find out more about it, you can go on their website and read it. They have it also in German, since they are in Switzerland right now. So it's also in German, and you can follow them. You can follow this company on Instagram under @healthboots. And yeah, they have many products. I'm excited about it, and I will tell you more about it soon.